Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to welcome up to the stage possibly Arizona's oldest comedian. Ladies and gentlemen, Arizona's favorite old man, Arizona motherfucking Lou. I hated that last part, but yeah, there you go.
He wants me to do this thing.
Wow. Well, we've been full of politics tonight, haven't we? Well, I will say this.
Is it recording?
I hated to vote for Trump. I hated even more to vote for the old witch who would take us down the train track for a train wreck of socialism. So that's what I did. But here's what I say. Our country has survived a lot. We've survived a lot of things, and we can survive this. And hopefully, look at what all we've done. And hopefully, we'll be better off and just have faith and keep going on. I do want to thank you for letting an old guy up here. You ask how old?
How old, Lou?
You're kind of late back there, but that's all right. 74.
Woo!
Hey, I'm so old that I know how to drive a stick shift.
Me too!
I'm not talking about a boner, Amy.
I can drive both.
Lou, you're changing it up here tonight. I love it. Get it.
I'm going to do something different than I had planned tonight. You guys are good. I did help out while we're on the subject of boners. I did help out with a clinical study of Viagra. It wasn't as hard as I expected. It was one of those double-blind studies. Even the doctors didn't know what was coming up next. They put us in hospital gowns and we looked like Joe Arpaio's tent city. I was the only one without a rigid tent pole. Imagine propping up your tent with one of those things you get from Dollar Tree, one of those plastic fun noodles. To kill time, that wasn't funny. It was embarrassing and definitely not fun and not at all uplifting. To kill time, we played games. Monopoly didn't work out very well. The other guys kept knocking the pieces off the board. And Happy Sack was kind of interesting, a little bit painful. Our version of tag we called Pokemon Go! I hated it. I didn't have a good poker. The other guys hated my favorite game, Twister!
Damn, Lou. God damn.
I asked them to call me Bone Daddy. One of them said, "Hey, that's stupid, Daddy." We appreciated it when the researchers gave us a shake break. They also gave us homework. Hey, Doc, can we help each other out? Well, let me look. It has to be solo operation, single-handed. And that's when I learned that you don't need expensive KY jelly if you go to Dollar Tree and get their hairstyling gel.
Oh my
I'm sure glad you came to tonight, Zach.
Jesus Christ.
That's true.
Give me lube advice. Cheers
And-
to you, Lou.
It's a good thing I'm a Baptist. If I'd been a Catholic, after each session, I'd need confession. And I would have a dishonorable discharge. My age, I really have trouble standing erect. And I had to quit the study because I couldn't keep my eye on the ball. Make that plural. And one guy accused me of being a swinger. And I had to quit. Amy, you're cracking me up.
Yes, you are.
I had to quit before I gave them any bona fide data. And I couldn't even go 4 hours without falling asleep. I just hope I don't fall asleep tonight. It's something like it with you guys. You're so much fun. Give yourselves a hand. Sir, put your beer down. Give yourselves a hand. You deserve it. In fact, you're so awesome, I'm going to have you come and spice up my funeral.
Happy to.
Too late. It was Friday. I've got T-shirts here, and one thing I forgot when we were doing the homework stuff. Yeah, okay. Anyway, I've got T-shirts if you want them. They're $10. All profits go to charity. Information about that there if you're interested. You don't have to. And who knows, 5 years from now, with one of these $10 T-shirts, you might say, hey, this is a good $25. That really is funny where my comedy career is going. Or you might say, hey, this is good for cleaning up homework. Hey, I really enjoyed it here, and you guys are great. And I do need to say that it's pretty hard putting this microphone away, but I've got to do it. Thank you very much. And I can't believe that I just spent 5 minutes talking about dick jokes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I've seen this man perform the last year and a half, and holy shit, I've laughed quite a bit at his sets, but I've never laughed that hard. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone's favorite old man, Arizona Lou, ladies and gentlemen. Jesus Christ. Way to crush that. Way to crush that. I just can't, I gotta collect myself. That was amazing. You got it on video, and oh, I can't wait. Audio.
Can I just say,
please.
I like that you said I just spent the last 5 minutes telling dick jokes. You are now officially an open mic comic.
Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome Arizona Lou into the Open Mic Comedy Club.
You're a member.